With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. It includes heated seats, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.